So locally in our area, there's some limitations on how much solar can go onto a single phase. So we normally talk about 5 kilowatts of inverter on a single phase site, and residentially as much as 30 kilowatts of solar on a 3-phase site. So if you do have a single phase, there may be a limit to how much power you can sell back to the grid. So if you did have a 3-phase site, you could you could put on a larger system and sell more back to the grid, and the credit would be applied to your bill. At the end of the day, the difference between single phase and 3-phase is that you can put a bigger system on. In looking at a solar system and looking at these, what will be high demand appliances in a home storage battery or an electric car, getting the most out of the roof space you've got is always a good thing to think about. The additional load that the battery or car will bring will mean you're going to need to get as much as you can off the roof. So a more efficient solution is going to help you meet those new demands. So high efficiency panels will mean you're going to get the most out of your roof space. Moving forward, electric cars are almost certainly going to be part of everyone's lives, and that's always in conjunction with home energy storage, so that's always a conversation we have with our homeowners, and we do our best to size the system in anticipation for those things being part of the home. Again, that side of things is really a site-specific solution. It all just ties into the type of conversations we have with the homeowners.